Shri Nrisinga Jai Nrisinga Jai Jai Nrisinga Prahladesha Jaya Padma Mukta Padma Bringam Shri Nrisinga Jai Nrisinga Jai Jai Nrisinga Prahladesha Jaya Padma Mukta Padma Bringam. Oh yeah, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Aboga ja, aboga, aboga ja, aboga ja, aboga, aboga ja, 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 aboga ja, aboga, aboga ja. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
तो दैट्स मॉर्निंग आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम लेपाक्षी और अभी मैं बुक्कापट्टनम में जयराम होटल पे रुकी हूँ। एक डोसा खाया है ब्रेकफास्ट और शुगरलेस चाय का वेट कर रही हूँ। तो मैं लेपाक्षी से अहोबिलम जा रही हूँ इन बिटवीन पुट्टापर्ती के पास। बाद में आपको मिलेगा नाइस प्लेस, यू कैन हैव योर ब्रेकफास्ट एंड एंजॉय योर टी। आपका नाम? साइंसिदा। मैंने नाश्ता किया, मुझे वॉशरूम यूज करना था तो उन्होंने अपने घर पे मुझे वॉशरूम यूज करने का ऑफ़र दिया और उसके साथ उन्होंने कुमकुम और नारियल भी दिया। इतना अच्छा लगा मुझे। इन जनरल भी आंध्र प्रदेश में लोग वेलकमिंग थे और अच्छे थे, सॉफ्ट थे। काफ़ी अच्छा लगा मुझे आंध्र प्रदेश में। मैं अकेली थी पर तन्हा नहीं। मैं सफ़र पे थी पर सिर्फ रास्ते पे नहीं। मैं निकल पड़ी थी एक ऐसे रास्ते पर जहां मंजिल भी भगवान थे और हर मोड़ एक इंट्रोस्पेक्शन। ये था अहोबिलम का रास्ता। आंध्र प्रदेश के घने जंगलों के बीच छुपा हुआ एक तीर्थ स्थान और एक ट्रैकिंग प्लेस जहां नरसिम्हा जी के 9 रूप आज भी जीवित कहानियों के रूप में विराजमान हैं और कहते हैं कि ये 9 रूप 9 ग्रहों को प्रेजेंट करते हैं। तो चलिए मेरे साथ, मैं आपको ले चलती हूँ मेरी अहोबिलम की यात्रा पर और आपको दिखाती हूँ एक के बाद एक मंदिर। सबसे पहले मैंने शुरुआत की लोअर अहोबिलम से। एक बड़े से गोपुरम, भक्तों की चैंटिंग और एक अजीब सी शांति। लगता है ये पहला मंदिर आपके मन को तैयार कर रहा है एक कठिन लेकिन दिव्य यात्रा के लिए। उसके बाद मैं निकल गई जंगल के अंदर। So here that's a coconut breaking place is there and this is a line will start here. I taken that 100 rupees ticket and have darsana. So now I am taking just outside parikrama. So as you can see, people are there, rush is there. It will take around 1 to 2 hours, 1 hour for darsana minimum. Ancient temple, now sunset time is there, so you can see that sunset is there. So the alliance is going on, people are standing. I think 1 hour will take, but in our temples the thing is that you give some extra money, take a special ticket and have darshan. So I went and had that darshan. This is the back side, Garbhaguha. Inside that Lord Lakshmi Narasimha is there. Compound is clean and today it rains, so climate is also good. It's not too hot. So this is the temple from back side. And this is me here having the darsana and trying to capture that temple and Ahobilam and other place of Andhra Pradesh for you. So guys, मेरे साथ बने रहिए और देखिए मेरे वीडियो को। और अब तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल। So now we are stepping for Jwala Narasimha temple. Here how many temples?
These are four temples are there.
4 temples.
4 temples plus Ugrastamba.
As this place is having nine total Narasimha temples, Swayambhu, and then separate Stamba is there. So now in that 9, I am starting now. So it's my first temple. I will keep on showing what that's I will see. So be with me for Ahobila. Kalyan Mandap. Okay.
The total Nallamalla forest.
Nallamalla forest. Today here I am standing in Ahobila Narasimha. Ahobila Narasimha is representing Guru Graha. Okay, out of the 9 planets, he is representing Guru Graha. Inside we cannot take photography, so I am showing you from outside. So now trekking for Jwala Narasimha Dev temple. So we have to walk through jungle.
1 kilometer.
It's a 1 kilometer. We have to walk in forest and hill. You can see it's beautiful. So still I am trekking towards Jwala temple, Jwala Narasimha temple. So here from the trees sunlight is coming. You can see how beautiful this is. After climbing 500 steps and couple of trekking, how much trekking was there?
3 kilometers
3
totally.
kilometers. Oh wow, that's why I was tired. 3 kilometers trekking and 500 steps. And here near the Jwala Narasimha temple. So we will go and have darsana. Inside temple, as you know, nowhere the shooting is allowed. You can see outside only. So see the views.
So this is Mars planet. There are 9 temples, 9 planets are there.
Okay.
So this is Mars planet.
Okay. Now I am going to cut for the Ugra Stamba. Trekking is there 2 kilometers. So we'll see how much I will success. But I will reach definitely, yes. You can see on the top flag is there. We have to climb there. And I am here now. Yes, nice sweat. Climbing up. So now we're taking bit pause, rest. Hike is difficult, and as I want to do everything fast, so doing fast even. But you can see how much on the height I am there now. See that that's opposite side of scene. Oh. we have to come down to other side. The top of the flag is not that actual temple. That's the top of the hill. Here down when we will come, then here is the temple. You can see that. Oh, I'm feeling divine here. It's really divine. It's wonderful. Pillar where that Narasimhadev saved Prahlada and gave Darsana and killed Hiranyakashipu and gave Darsana to Prahlada. So this is the main Pada. Here you can see that. And now that's they established with new one. And it's like a temple. Views are wonderful here. Arunala, ivatali.
This is one wing, this is one wing.
So that Lakshmi ji ke priya Malola Narasimhadev Swami and 9 Narasimha is representing Navagraha. So this temple is representing Sukragraha. This is a starting point, Vara Narasimhadev, and this way Malola, that way Jwala, and to go that Upper Ahobilam also this Ugra Narasimha. So here a small waterfall is there. It's just in rain season 360 days because it's coming from upside, na?
All the season, rain season, summer season, winter season.
Govinda, Narasimha Govinda, Dhala Narasimha Govinda.
So this is a Karanja Narasimha temple.
This one is number 5. Chandragraha Adhipati.
Chandragraha Adhipati.
Like that,
It's got close.
Like that.
अगले दिन मेरा प्लान था जाने का भार्गवा नरसिम्हा और पावना नरसिम्हा, बट बारिश हो रही थी तो फिर मैंने वहाँ से स्किप ले लिया. 2 मंदिर थे जिनका मैंने स्किप ले लिया.
Devalaya, ma'am. 9 temples are there. Some temples are missing, like that Pavana Bhargava. The temples seeing in this place. This is the Navagraha plus Navagraha.
ये थी मेरी अहोबिलम की यात्रा. यहाँ पर मंदिर ने मुझे कुछ दिया हो ऐसा नहीं था. कभी हिम्मत, कभी शांति, कभी प्रेम और सबसे बढ़कर एक एहसास कि भगवान कहीं बाहर नहीं, यहीं अंदर हैं. मैं तो बस चलती गई और भगवान मुझे मिलते चले गए. जय नरसिम्हा देव.